What's up? My name is Michael Chacon from San Diego, California. You're watching the Daily Grind. I see a sky with a rainy car, but I'm not running. I see a train moving all too fast.
Up, folks. Come at me, bro. I'm recording in 4K.
4K.
So I'm trying to
Super
figure
clear.
out. I'm seeing if you're just uglier in person or on camera. Shit. Try something. I've never used 4K on this before. Kind of tripping out. Sick ass setup right here. So I kind of want to see if this eGPU and this expensive ass laptop can take this 4K footage. I guess let's see what 4K freaking looks like. Oh, by the way, let's flash back to when I cut my finger. Come here, Turbo. Come on, let's go. Come here. Come here, buddy. Sit. Go ahead. This is why I don't play with knives. Fact. Aaliyah, you're in 4K, baby.
Green.
Green. Oh, how'd you know? What the heck? Yeah, Matt Garcia. I'm gonna show my mom that my car can reverse itself.
The car has ghosts in it.
Watch.
Thank you.
Say, go, Matt. I just told my mom. My sister said the car has a ghost in it. She said the car has a ghost in it.
Wow. Oh, good. Good, Michael. Mom happy. I'm happy. My son and have a car, you know. Very good.
See? Nice.
Yes.
Very proud. Very happy. Like, see, Tom? We told mom the car has a ghost in it. Last day?
Hey, last day.
Hi.
Omar getting what?
What's up? Hey, we're recording 4K, by the way. That's a big deal. It's my first 4K video ever.
Ooh, congratulations.
Congratulations. Let's go eat. Every vlog with you guys is eating.
Yes.
Chicken crab.
That's all we do here. It's just
This is 4K. You may appear uglier and
Never.
greater.
It's impossible.
Oh, okay.
She wants to. It's impossible.
She's like, I want to
Tell her.
follow the camera.
It's impossible.
She's following the camera.
Huh? When you know you got it, you got it. That's it.
Jeez. It's like he's in Miami Vice or some
Miami
shit.
Vice.
Yeah. Get the fuck out of here. Nói tiếng Việt, nói tiếng Việt.
Có thằng con thành tài và về đây có con và cháu với có cháu ngoại nữa. Con cảm ơn Chúa, cảm ơn Trời Phật để con được một cái gia đình như vậy. Con sẽ mạnh khỏe, sống cả 100 tuổi luôn. Cảm ơn Phật, cảm ơn Chúa. Cháu ngoại đẹp của ngoại, cháu nội, còn mà cháu gái của nội luôn. Thế. Thương quá.
Hey, this is 3 generations. 1, 2, 3. That's cool.
Oh yeah, that is true. Hello. So this is all what I looked like, what I look like now, we all will look like.
In the Jeep. This is what they rented for the week. I like Jeeps. My neighbor has, not this one, but that one is super nice. But this one is kind of hideous. This is hideous.
This is cute.
This is hideous. I I don't know Jeeps. I don't want to super hate. I like these styles and that one behind that. Hell is this? Ow! I hurt my knee getting in. Oh god, that old age is hitting you. Well, I mean, I'm not a Jeep guy, so I don't want to definitely hate them. I'm just saying it's kind of weird looking. Steering wheel's nice. Spacious for 4 little Asian people like us.
That's
You're not Asian?
Spacious at all.
No?
Nope.
You're like 5.
But I'm Asian size. 0.
Hi, Leah. You gotta say hi to the vlog, baby. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Good job. Cajun fries and 4K. Leah in 4K. Oh, sweet spicy.
You're around them more.
Garlic noodles here. The shrimp. What do you think, V? Did you try the noodles yet?
No.
Fire.
She's dancing in the middle of a restaurant. Who brought this girl?
Thank you so much.
How was it? Was it good?
That was a lot.
Yeah? Hello. She's not a part of our family. No, not. Hi, Mom. It was good?
Good.
Yeah, how was it, Johnny boy?
It was delicious.
Hi, Thomas. Let's go get some ice cream at Afters. How long have we known each other? No, let's put it this way. How old was I when we met?
I watched your
No,
mom
tell them what
change
kind
your
of pants
diaper.
you were
Are you
wearing.
serious? Oh shit! I was like, damn.
You're an
At least till 5 then.
Tell them what kind of clothes you were wearing.
Let me see.
Gangster hood stuff.
Let me see. I first. Let me see. I knew your brother in '90.
Damn.
So you
These
were.
kids weren't even born yet.
So you were 3. So
Yeah.
you were 3, and we were switching Super Nintendo games.
Yes,
together.
I remember that. I remember that. Since I was 3, so that's 27 years. Well, almost 28 years now. Dang.
Only live once, okay?
Don't do it. Come on, baby.
Come on.
Let's go. Cookie Monster, guys. At Afters. So yummy. What do you have? Coffee?
Omar, you're missing out. Ice cream.
Ice cream. Say, Scott got us. What'd you get?
Big Monster.
Ooh, Tom, what'd you get?
Coke.
Nice.
On the rocks.
On the rocks. What'd you get, baby?
Almond cookie.
Oh my gosh. What'd you get, Mama? Coffee, yeah?
Yeah.
Hello, did you like the ice cream? Did you like the ice cream? Yes? She liked the ice cream. Thank you, Scott. Yummy, yummy. Boy. Hi, okay, you want me to get out of the way? Hello? What? What do you see? Where do you see? What do you see? Where are you going, silly? Where are you going, silly? Silly. What are you doing? Water?
Is that where you're heading to? To the water?
Bye. Taking pictures. Look, everyone's taking pictures of her.
I don't want a picture of your hair.
There we go. Bye, Johnny boy. Have a good time in Washington. Mom, the summon feature for parking into the garage. See, so car is pulling in.
Oh. Let's. Nice.
Look, there's nothing over here.
Nobody's right.
Shit is witchcraft, bro.
Oh, look good.
Destroys the washer and dryer.
Really good car. Yeah.
Taking my mom to my office, Tuna Crate. I don't think she's seen this one. I think she's seen number 2, possibly number 1. So I want to take her to number 4, which is Tuna Crate HQ. She's seen Blackout, but she hasn't seen this place. Honda in 4K. What's up, bro? Baby Rev? Baby Rev. And that thing is hideous.
No.
You haven't been to this one? So you keep saying you've been to this one.
No, look at that. Family,
Getting old.
respect, loyalty.
It's my keys on my arm. My mom a grand tour of Tuna Crates. Yeah. Yes. Lee's car. Did you have one of these, Tom? Or did you just steal one of these?
I always liked these cars.
Yeah, 89. Vintage. $500. Take it.
I'll give you 6.
6. You give me 6. I like how you deal. Boxes away.
She's packaging.
Box, yes. Manages to find the drift cart. Right away. Look at you. You like it. Gil, come here. Come here. Hold on. You guys gotta hear this. She was here when I bought my Subaru. You just reminded me. You were here too, Tom. They came down. I was shopping for one, and they were like, "You're so impulsive."
He is crazy. He walked to the.
Yeah, but I've been searching for it. Anyway, she thought I was impulsive, so I bought it. And she's like, "You're so impulsive, Mike." Fast forward like 6 or 7 years later.
5 cars later.
Probably 6, 7.
7.
And a trailer. A dog.
Not
2 dogs.
counting.
And a kid. Good impulsive idea. It wasn't impulsive. Even if it was impulsive, it was the best impulsive decision ever.
Who goes to the dealership and say, "Okay, I'll take the car."
No, I did research. She don't believe me. She don't believe me. I don't expect this inside the trailer. For sure they don't expect this one. Check it out. Check it out. This is my trailer. Welcome to the escape room, mobile edition. There's only one exit. Hi, is this your first time in the trailer, love?
No, she's been in here.
Oh, she has?
Oh, yeah?
Oh, are you feel better now?
I feel like a 10.
4K.
4K right now?
I'm recording 4K.
Oh shit,
You're either gonna be prettier or uglier.
Damn, I don't even think I ever looked pretty though.
4K. Ooh, I can see the sweat
new
beads
lens?
on your face. Same lens, I just changed settings.
Really?
Yeah. Hey, big boss man. Hey, Thomas.
4K?
I'm running 4K right now.
Oh man, now you can see all this like grossness that's in my
Yeah,
pores.
You're actually not even white.
Cool enough for his stuff. Now I got a 2018, so
2018
look
what?
out for me, Honda Accord.
Okay, and now she wants to be a
Hey, now
Primal.
I want to be a
Hustle
the
and grind.
grind never sleeps,
Yeah.
Primal driven.
Should we even let her do that?
Yeah. Comment yes. Comment yes. Maybe you should make me a pink one.
Do you guys think she deserves to have that plate on her car?
A pink one.
Leave a comment. Let me know.
Say yes. And also, how is the 4? What is it? 4G? What is 4? 4K?
4K.
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 How's the 4K looking on my face?
She's looking terrible.
Amazing. Go ahead.
I think you just got knocked down one level.
No.
Now they can actually see what you look like and be like,
Tell him.
fuck.
No,
Like,
no.
fuck, that's her?
No.
God damn, you look better in pictures.
No.
Hat?
Yeah.
Can you take a hat? That's gonna be $35, man.
Yes, yes.
She give you a head nod? She's give you a head nod. Alright guys, let's see how my finger looks.
Soggy.
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 It's been in places I don't want to talk about.
Moist.
Ooh, look at that. That's scar worthy right there. That's how you here it is.
Oh, nice. Is that your face with a bat?
Yeah,
That is super from the hood.
Fat Dong. It's your brother.
You know, my ex-boyfriend's name is Fat Dong.
This is okay, so my sister keeps claiming I came up with the name Fat Dong, but my sister keeps claiming that it's her ex-boyfriend's name.
Unconsciously, you...
I must have taken that name and integrated it into my memory because that guy was that the.
The crackhead.
Okay, you said it on camera. She dated a crackhead.
Yes. You.
My sister dated a crackhead. Fat Dong. He's probably, is he dead?
No, I'm
Probably in San Jose.
He may got deported by Russia.
You'll meet me
Bye bye.
from
Why are you so short?
one day.
Yeah, why are you so short? Vegas in January. You guys have gambling problems. Just letting you know.
Oh, I know.
She knows.
I know for sure. I love casinos.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Hug.
I love you.
Hey Tom, the Jeep is ugly. This is so hideous. I don't know, kind of growing on me. Say bye tonight. Oh, that's so cute.
Okay, bye bye.
Say bye, babe.
Bye.
Little kiss. Little kiss. Oh. Bye. Come on, love. Let's go. Come on, Aaliyah. Let's go. Step up. Ooh. Whoa.